Our next section is Huntington's disease. Now, Huntington's disease is a very short, simple topic, very unfortunate topic, but a very simple topic. So it's simple for you from the point of view of USMLE Step 2. It's a disaster from the point of view of being the patient, but it's simple for us. Now, Huntington's disease is a genetic disease with a typical genetic repeated sequence that has an extremely high penetration. It's an autosomal dominant, that has extremely high penetration, which means that the people who are the children of people with Huntington's disease have an extremely high likelihood of developing this disease. You like this next picture of the slide? I love the I love the up and down of things, you know what I mean? It's like we said everything we said in this first slide here, autosomal dominated, located on chromosome whatever, CAG, trinucleotide repeat. Basically, it's a genetic disorder that makes an abnormal protein, and this abnormal protein ruins your life. And then we said the same thing here with a nice picture of images, and it basically means that this genetic disorder results in a syndrome that results in dementia, personality changes and behavior changes, emotional lability, crying, anger, intolerance, being upset with people, a short temper. I think I got this. But the thing is that this is Huntington's disease, personality changes with dementia. Personality changes with dementia and a movement disorder. Okay? But personality and dementia, big deal, big deal, big deal. So we see here that there is a genetic test, and the biggest question about Huntington's disease is what do you offer the children? And you offer the children genetic testing. You offer the children genetic testing. Now you'll see that the slide here talks about clozapine. And clozapine doesn't actually treat the Huntington's disease, it just ameliorates the behavioral problems. So the other thing is you could have said haloperidol, thorazine, geodon, ziprasidone. The major issue is Huntington's disease is that you have a movement, a psychosis, a behavioral change, and dementia. There is no specific therapy. The children have a very, very high likelihood of having disease. And the question is this: if you're 22 years old, would you want to know whether you have a 50 to 70% chance of having Huntington's disease? Would you, for instance, continue to study for USMLE if you had a 70% chance of dying by the age of 45 of a demented, behaviorally changed death? Do you offer the children genetic testing, Huntington's disease?